Hi everyone, it's Miranda, and I have a little question for everybody. So I want to know why somebody hasn't talked me in to a Chi hair straightener before. Because I've always used just like the little Revlon one, and it did okay, but this thing is bomb. Like, I don't know how I ever straightened my hair without it, and I never really wore my hair down a whole lot because it never looked like wonderful and perfect. And then I found this thing, and it's just like, I love the pattern. Look at that peacock pattern, and that's so cute. But I picked this up. I actually got it for my Christmas present, but I picked it out myself and put it in the cart, and then my husband hid it so that I wouldn't test it out before Christmas. But I love this thing. So if you are not using a nice hair straightener, then you really should, because I think it is like change your life awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up, and then I've got to do some packages. All right, so I'm fixing to go to work, but I wanted to share something with you really quick because I'm really excited about it. But first, before I do, good morning, everybody. I hope y'all are gonna have a wonderful Wednesday, or hump day as they call it. Get over that hump of the week. But anyways, look what I decided to keep. Let's see if I can show y'all. I decided to keep the gray booties from my Stitch Fix. I've been kind of wearing them around the house. I know, I never wear shoes inside, but I wanted to make sure they were going to be comfy, and they are, so I'm keeping them. But I have my eBay packages here to get sent out. I hear a sound going on in my garage. So I'm going to take you. Don't look at my kitchen, you guys. It is such a mess. But I'm going to show you what is outside and what kind of sound. Maddie, come get these so I can unlock the gate. I hope y'all are going to have a wonderful day today. I'm going to have a great day. I've already decided in the car that it's going to be a great day. But let's go outside here. I just stepped through the baby gate. We had a little like party here, and I haven't cleaned it up. But we're gonna go out to the garage and see what's going on. So I'm in my garage. I turned y'all around because I'm really, really excited. What you doing, Mike Wood?
I'm gonna attempt to build a table.
For who?
For you.
For me? Just me?
Yep.
I'm really excited. That was on my Christmas wish list, was a new table. This is my husband's garage. It's huge. It's really my garage. No, really it's not. I don't do woodworking. But anyways, the keys are in my purse. So he's cutting wood because we thought we were going to have an 8-foot table, but which part of the table are those cuts for?
So the legs, this part.
Oh, okay. It's gonna get loud up in here. still have my sunglasses on because I feel like I need to be incognito about this dirty little secret splurge of mine. I'm going to share it with all of you. You want to know what it is? Magazines. Shh, magazines. I love this magazine. It is a called Vintage Cottage, and it's a decorating with reclaimed wood and antiques, things that I love. But it's an expensive magazine at $14.99. Do not tell my husband that I paid that much money for a magazine. He'll probably shoot me. Anyways, but I'm fixing to go into work. There is a little snippet of my day for Wednesday. I hope y'all have a wonderful Wednesday. And I'm to 70 subscribers. I just think that's amazing. Like, my channel is growing like a weed since really December. So all of you that are joining my channel, I love y'all. I just think I don't know. I love reading all the comments. I love really everything about it. And it's just a lot of fun for me. That is why I started it, was for the fun factor for me. And I just have a lot going on in my life right now that maybe can help some of you if you find my channel. So those of you that have subscribed, I'm at 70 today. I think that's really cool. And I have something special coming up in the next couple months. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.